Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to secure your WordPress website from hackers. So first of all, go to your browser and search for malcare, and now you have to open this website malcare.com. And here we can see WordPress security for high performance websites. Malcare will keep your site secure without slowing it down. Get automatic malware scans, one-click malware removal, and a real-time firewall for complete security of your website. To know more about this plugin, you can scroll down here and you will see more informations. And here we can see the Malcare plugin features. Daily Deep scans WordPress site for malware, auto-clean malware with one click, removes malware and backdoors to prevent reinfection, advanced firewall. Now all you have to need once you are in this website, just create a brand new account. You can click on protect your site for free, or you can click on sign up. Now all you have to need, create a brand new account. Once done, you will directly jump into this dashboard. Here, come to the site section and click on add site. And now we have to copy our WordPress site link. So I'm going to opening my site and copying my site URL and pasting my URL here and just clicking on continue. And now we have to install Malcare plugin in our WordPress dashboard. So go to your dashboard and hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here Malcare and search for it. And this is the actual plugin we are looking for. Install and activate this Malcare WordPress security plugin. Once it's activated, go to the Malcare dashboard and here scroll down. Already installed Malcare plugin, just click on test plugin. And here you will see this message, plugin connection successful. Now just click on here. And now go to sites again, and here you will find all of your added websites. And first of all, you have to enable security for the specific website. Once it's enabled, now click on security, and as you can see, your site is clean, real-time protection enabled. And here you can see total attacks blocked, server load reduced, and total files scanned. Now scroll down. Here you will find the firewall options. Make sure to enable firewall security option here. Also scroll down. Here you will find firewall attack protection list. Scroll down and here you can enable login protection, and scroll down. Here you will find malware scanner. Just click on scan now to scan your site malware. So this is how we can secure our WordPress website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.